How to private friend list on Facebook. That's what I will show you in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. With that said, let's get started. So go ahead and open up Facebook. And once you do that, click on the three lines at the top right corner, then go to your settings. From the account section, click on privacy checkup, and then click on who can see what you share. Click continue at the bottom. From the last section, the friends and following section, you can see the first option. It says who can see your friends list on your profile. It has a drop down menu next to it. Click on it and choose the last option that says only me. Once you do that, click on next at the bottom right, then click on it again and click on it again to continue. And once you do that, the changes will be saved and your friends list will be hidden and private. So that was it for this video. That's how you can hide your friends list on Facebook. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below. With that said, see you in the next